Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to give you a really quick introduction to YouTube earnings, why certain people get paid more than each other, why you should start your channel, and think about other ways of earning revenue if what I'm about to show you isn't going to make you that much money on YouTube, right? So you'll see a lot of videos of see my earnings. This is how much you make for 1 million views. This is how much golfers make, things like that, and it's not as simple as here's 1 million views, here's how to make money, right? The big thing is this. The what's C stand for? It's cost, right? Cost per milli, cost per 1,000 views, right? This value is what dictates your channel, and it will be different for everybody. And I'm going to show you why. I do business on my monetized channels. I do business, project management, productivity platform introductions. I teach people how to use CRMs that are 35, 40 plus dollars a month to sign up for. So the adverts that come on front of my videos, and I'll show you as we go through, are adverts for those kind of platforms where if a company of 10 people sign up for that platform, they're going to be paying $350 a month to that company. So that's over, that's nearly 4,000 a year, over $4,000 a year. So the advert in front of my videos will mean that the cost per milli, the cost per 1,000 can go up because advertisers will. It's like an eBay. Google AdWords. It's Google AdWords where advertisers put adverts on. Is like an eBay of advertising space. They're bidding against each other for that space, and they will outbid each other. So on mine, it's $88 per 1,000. Now, I had a quick browse, and thanks to the guy at SAS Golf, I'm not sure what his name is actually. I can't remember his name. He posted his, and he's got 13,000 subscribers. I think he had 156,000 views, and his cost per milli was $6, right? So I'm going to show you, but let's just break down these figures here. So $6 to get to 590. So how are you going to do it? Is get my calculator out. $88, so 88.17. That is the 1,000 views, and here's my thousands. So I'm going to times it by 45.5. Gets me to 4,011, and then I'm going to divide it by 2, right? Because what happens is, I can never remember which way around it is, but I'm guessing I get 51% of the advertising revenue, and Google get 49%. So that gets me to 2005. It's not exactly this because there's other things involved, and there's a thing called click-through rate. So if people click the adverts, you get paid even more, right? So that's how you get to that figure, right? So I've only got 45,000 views last month, but but it pays 1,000 views at $88. SAS Golf, on the other hand, has got 156,000 at $6.61. So $6.61 times 156.4. There's the 1,000 divided by 2. $516. So you get a little bit more than half, and there's other factors as well, right? So I've got another channel that's monetized as well. So if I go back to my Blue Jeans Media channel and go to analytics and show you that stat, hopefully I won't get in trouble for showing you this because I know YouTube have some sort of reason. So yeah, this one, so revenue here, right? So here's the revenue. This one's $49. 49, well, it's in pounds, right? Let me go. Let's just change some settings. Let's go here. So we're all in the right currency. $60, right? So this one's a little bit less on the cost per milli. 60.76 times 13.8 divided by 2, right? So that is how you work out how much you're going to make on YouTube, right? Right, so let's talk about how people advertise and how you make money. I've just recorded this and then deleted the video. So annoying, but I'll fly through it again. But it'll actually be better because I'll be shorter. So how do you get to a niche where one person's getting £80 $80 a month per milli and one person's getting $6, right? It's all about keywords. So when you get paid through a thing called Google AdSense. You would need a Google AdSense account, and this is the payment. This is what's going to come through to me in August, and there it is from July last month, and here, since I turned monetization on, is the growth, right? It went down in December. I almost went and got a proper job, but I thought, no, I'll do my 2019 videos and I'll give it a go this year. So luckily it's going up. So I'm not saying I'm an expert. I'm not trying to be smug. I'm just trying to give you information on what actually happens, right? So I've just Googled lipstick. So I'm going to show you the theories, right? So what happens on my videos is, if you see these top videos for me, they're about CRMs. My top viewing video, sorry, I jumped off that too quickly. Let me turn my volume off again. So my top earning videos, if I go here to analytics, right? So my top videos are CRM, project management. In fact, that advert that's showing now is an advert. I've got a video for how to use that product. But you can see CRM, project management, CRM, right? So when I go to HubSpot CRM, if you type in HubSpot CRM, right, which is my top video, you'll see that I'm at my 2019 videos at number 1, my 2018 videos at number 2, right? So what you go to as a advertiser, if you're wanting to put your advert in front of my videos for specific people Googling that type of thing, you're going to come here to Google Ads. This is where people pay to put adverts up, right? And I'm going to go Keyword Planner CRM, because that's what my top videos are, right? So when you go CRM, the top click, the cost per click, this isn't cost per million views, this is cost per click. So if anybody on that video, if they went to this video and it was a CRM, it's actually Monday.com. If they clicked on that video, it would cost the advertiser, Monday.com in that case, £15. YouTube will split that with me, 51% me, 49% them. YouTube will give me, what's that, £8.50, £9 for somebody clicking that video, right? Now, if we go to golf lesson, so we go to a video on best golf lesson here by Clay Ballard. There's no advert on it, so let's go this one, me and my golf. Let's see what advert comes up. Here we go, 15 shots, right? 15 shots. This is going to be an advert on taking 15 shots off your game to get golf lessons, right? So this is the advert that comes up in front of golf videos. So my CRM videos are £15 here, look, £8 CRM system, £12 CRM software, customer relationship, £7. This is cost per click. It's different to cost per thousand, cost per click. So now if I go up here and put golf lesson, so remember £15 for my lowest bid, 34 for my highest, versus the golf guys, 35 pence versus £1.47. So if you're selling golf videos, the cost per click, if you're selling golf lessons, is still very low. It would cost 35p for this person if I clicked on that video, right? So they would, why my phone's making noise, go off. So it's all to do with the video, the advert type. And what will happen is Google, which is YouTube, know two things. They know who is advertising and they know who is watching. They know which videos I've watched. They know what things I've bought. They know what pages I've been to. They know my history. So they know what to put in front of videos like this. So if you're just getting into golf, but you spend all time looking at chess videos, your advert might be a chess video. But, so that's why I Googled lipstick, right? So, makeup tutorial, right? Let's go to this, right? So let's see what video. Now, the video, make your own online, so that's an advert. Full face and flawless, in-depth, 2 million views, right? So, what video we're going to get? We're probably going to get, who wouldn't want to save money for free? We're going to get videos catered to me in this place, because it knows that I don't watch makeup videos, believe it or not. But what's this one? Who wouldn't want to save money for free? How much does that pay? Save money. £0.58, right? So again, not as big as the CRMs, but if Nikki had more people like me watching, she would get paid more than let's do a makeup tutorial. So it might be about the same, actually, to be fair. Makeup tutorial, right? No ideas. Satisfy the filters. What's up with that? Have I lost internet again? Makeup. Let's do makeup. Here we go. Makeup, right? So it was 30p cheaper, wasn't it? Makeup. It's going to cost you 29p a click for that to happen, right? So what has happened here is, if there's a makeup video or there's a golf lesson video, so let's go back. Let's try and go back to that golf lesson video, right? So hopefully the same one will play. What I want to do here is get a price, but he's not going to show me a price unless he clicks on it, is he? And I don't want to get him to click on it because I'll get into trouble for clicking on that. So let's say that golf lessons £100. It's £100 package to take 15 shots off your game. We're going to go to his lesson. It's £100, right? When you go to mine, if you go to my video, and it's a monday.com, it's this monday.com, right? So if we go to monday.com, and let's go pricing, right? So this is £100. The other one was $100. Let's say dollars. Keep it because it's in dollars. $100 product. They're probably just going to get $100, aren't they? Whereas Monday.com is $25 a month for the basic fee, for the free version. For the beginner version, it's $25 a month for 5 users. So that's actually $125 a month. So that's already $1,500 per year for the lowest priced tier on that advert. So now we understand why project management pays £15 a click, because their leads can generate up to, it can get cheaper for 10 users, isn't it? $49 a month. Look at the pricing going up. They can afford to pay £15 a click, because when they get people in, they're going to get revenue for a lot longer. So all I'm saying is understanding adverts in front of your videos. What shows in front of the video pays differently. I'm going to talk about niches and stuff next, right? Because I don't want to discourage you here. Right, guys, I've just recorded another section and deleted it as I've went in. There's a button that says save and delete, and I've deleted it again. I've done it twice today. Oh my god! Right. So in conclusion, though, I want to talk to you about, if you've watched this and gone, well, my niche don't pay anywhere near as much as yours, or my niche don't pay what I need it to run a business. I didn't do this to discourage you. I did it to just show to you that there's different places, different amounts you can earn for different views. And I'm interested in getting a lot of people to 1,000 subscribers. I know a lot of people think 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours per year watch time makes you eligible to monetize your account, right? And you can and will get there. But so I've set up Blue Jeans Media to help people. I'm doing a lot with the golf guys at the minute. I want to do videos to show, look, let's optimize your channel. Let's make sure you're doing everything right. Make sure your links are all correct, and things that can be done are all done properly or the best you can through talking on Twitter and social media. And I've just launched a new forum. This is specifically for people under 1,000 subscribers. Anybody over 1,000 are welcome in. But I'm giving YouTube advice, YouTube training, technical training, help on how to get up to that 1,000 subscribers. And people say, oh, well, there's another one of them gurus who's making loads of money. Why is he doing it? Well, you won't find anything on paulnicholson.com or bluejeansmedia.com that'll ask for any money. It's all free. I don't do anything. I get paid commission. That's what I'm going to tell you about in this section as well. There's other ways to make money. MSI, multiple streams of income, right? So in my videos, what I do, so let's go Zoho CRM, right? So let's go Zoho One, right? So what's Zoho One? 40 odd apps for Zoho.
Feeling?
Oh, I've got sound back on, and I've got WhatsApp back up, and let me just close this so I don't have to blur anything out. There's links. There's partner links. Start your trial today, partner link. If anybody signs up for that, Zoho pay me 25% commission for 3 years on anything they pay, right? So I get paid from YouTube. I get paid from Zoho for sending people out here. Look, Zoho, I'm not lying to you. This is all help to continue free training. Zoho will pay me 25% of your payments for first 3 years, right? I've not charged this person anything. I'm, saying this is a good platform. I'm going to provide full training, forum. I've got a free training group here. Look, Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. It's all free. Nothing to pay for. But what I'm telling you in this section is the video that you put out, you can make commission off whatever you're promoting, reviewing, as long as you put in brackets partner link, right? This is or people might pay for you to wear a certain t-shirt or pay for you to do something, and you can just say I've been paid to do this, and you can make more money out of doing influencer sort of things like that, where people will get you to pay you to do things, or forums. Again, look, these Google AdWords again, AdSense words, Google Adverts. Sorry. There's other ways to make money, and that's what Blue Jeans Media is going to be there for, because it's not, yes, we want to get everybody to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, we want you to monetize your channels and get paid for your hard work. But if you're not getting paid as much as you need, or much as to need to do it full time, we want to talk about how can you make other monthly streams of income, monthly recurring revenue areas, and if you are just doing it as a hobby and something you love, great. But if we can get you paid for doing that as well, take the off the burden of all the work you're doing, that's great too. But so in this video, I didn't want to discourage you by showing you some real stats and real figures on how you actually do make money on YouTube. What I wanted to do was, knowledge is always better than ignorance, and knowing, why certain videos make $1 million. Somebody put how much does a YouTube video with 1 million views make, and then came out with some information which, in fairness, she thought she was being correct, but she didn't quite go into depth as to why, it being all down to the cost per million, Mille views, who's watching it, what the video is about, how much the advertising revenue is paying. And it could have put you off, or could have made you think, well, sod this. But I don't want that to happen. I want you to sign up for whatever you want to make a YouTube video on, channel on, whatever your passion is. There's other ways to make money on top of YouTube, right? So don't be too discouraged, but just know the facts, okay? Any questions? I'm here. My Blue Jeans Media is all dedicated for people with like less than 1,000 subscribers, trying to get their influence channels up and running, making sure their tech's right. And then if you work for a bigger company and you want to come for the more boring stuff on big companies, how to do sales platforms, how to do sales, the things that I do videos on basically, then you're welcome into paulnicholson.com, my forum, where it's all a little bit more boring, but it's those serious platforms that are charging a lot more for monthly subscriptions. So leave comments, come and talk to me. I'm open to help. I want you to help. I want you to get up and running. I'm always here to help, guys. Hope that helped. Cheers. Bye.